Ever feel like your business finances are a tangled mess? Invoice chasing, expense reports that take forever, and a million logins for different services? Yeah, us too. That's why we're hyped to talk about Mamo Pay, the one-stop shop for all your business financial needs. But before we dive in, let's face it, traditional business banking can be a real drag. High fees, clunky interfaces, and a complete lack of, well, fun. Wouldn't it be awesome if there was a way to manage your business finances with ease, save money, and maybe even enjoy the process? That's where Mamo Pay comes in. Buckle up, because we're about to show you how Mamo Pay can transform your business finances from a frustrating chore into a streamlined superpower. Payments, getting paid made easy and fast. Imagine this, a customer needs to pay you. Normally, you'd send a long, boring invoice and then wait some more. With Mamo Pay, forget that. You can create beautiful, shareable payment links in seconds. Just send the link to your customer, and they can pay instantly with any debit or credit card, no matter where they are in the world. Multiple currencies? No sweat. The world is your business oyster, and Mamo Pay gets that. They handle payments in over 15 currencies, with some of the lowest transaction fees you'll find, especially in the UAE. So whether you're selling crafts on Etsy or consulting for a client in Tokyo, Mamo Pay makes getting paid internationally a breeze. Goodbye invoice hell, hello streamlined invoicing. Remember those long, boring invoices we mentioned? Mamo Pay lets you create professional invoices in minutes. Plus, you can track payments in real time, so you always know where you stand. No more chasing down invoices or wondering if your client even saw them. Mamo Pay cards, put the power of spending in your hands. Mamo Pay isn't just about collecting money. It's about managing your business expenses too. With Mamo cards, you can ditch the old corporate credit card hassle. Issue virtual or physical cards to your team, set spending limits, and track expenses all in one place. Say goodbye to confusing expense reports and hello to streamlined month-end closings. Saving you money, because every penny counts. Mamo Pay understands that small business owners need to watch their costs. That's why they offer some of the most competitive fees in the market. Plus, with features like saving on foreign transaction fees with Mamo cards, you can keep more money in your pocket to reinvest in your business. The power of integrations, Mamo Pay plays well with others. Mamo Pay doesn't exist in a silo. It integrates seamlessly with popular accounting and business tools, so you can streamline your workflow even further. Imagine automatically syncing expenses or invoices, no more manual data entry. Built for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a one-person freelancer or a growing startup, Mamo Pay has your back. Their platform is designed to be user-friendly and scalable, so it can grow with your business. Security? Mamo Pay takes it seriously. Security is paramount, especially when it comes to your business finances. Mamo Pay is regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority and uses industry-standard security measures to keep your money safe. The wrap-up. Mamo Pay isn't just another payment processor. It's a complete financial operating system designed to make your business life easier. From collecting payments to managing expenses, Mamo Pay helps you take control of your finances and free up your time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. So, ditch the financial frustration and join the Mamo Pay revolution. Visit their website today and see how they can help your business thrive. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.